Hey everyone, good morning. It's Marla. Hopefully everybody is doing well. This is an early morning unboxing of two products that I love from a company that really doesn't get enough love. They are from Skin Diva. I like this company because their prices are very economical. Their products are cruelty-free. They have zero fragrance and parabens, and I believe they are gluten-free. The first product that I ordered off the website was their 20% vitamin C plus E plus ferulic acid. It is 20% L-ascorbic acid along with 0.5% ferulic and 1% vitamin E. I love this because it helps to brighten your skin. It works on any hyperpigmentation, acne scars, or dark spots you might have on your skin. And I love their products because they are made in the United States. They use more actives and less chemicals in their products. So really have always loved this vitamin C plus E from them. And the next product I ordered off the website was their hyaluronic acid. I am a lover of pure hyaluronic acid. This is 100% hyaluronic acid. I love it because it holds moisture in your skin. It actually penetrates the skin's upper layers to increase elasticity. It actually forms an air-permeable layer in the dermis of the skin. It helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and it enhances collagen production. So these are two products that I have added recently to my skincare routine again. I actually used to order these a lot from Skin Diva, and I kind of got out of the habit, but I was just recently thinking of Skin Diva again, and I decided to look at their website and see if there's anything I would want to add to my skincare routine. I love both of these in the morning because they're very lightweight. I put them on, they absorb very quickly into my skin, and then I apply sunscreen, or if I'm going to be wearing makeup that day, I put makeup on. But I really do love this company. I try to promote it whenever I can. I love it because it's a cruelty-free company. It doesn't get enough love. Not that many people talk about it. Their products are made in the United States and they are super economical. I will leave a link for Skin Diva's products down in my description box. Take care, guys. Bye-bye from Marla.